Hello, this is a video about looking up information on your company in one of the library databases called Hoovers. So from the home screen, you'll want to go to the databases link. So I clicked on content and then week 1, and then in the marketing brief, assignment, and files, you'll go to the business databases link on the Hack Library. So we're going to click on that. And then we're going to click on this library. Now you'll notice that, I don't know if you can see this, but I'm in Safari. The databases work best on Safari or Google Chrome. Firefox does not work well with the Hoovers database. So when I click on that link, I get to the business databases only, not to every single database. So I'm going to scroll down, and then I want, on the left-hand side here, I want to go to Hoovers Online. And then once we get there, what we're going to do, again, make sure you're using Safari or Google Chrome. We're going to look for the company, and I'm going to use Home Depot again because I had used that in my other examples. So I'm just going to X out of all of these things, and up here I'm going to type Home Depot. Now that's going to bring up probably a list of a number of companies, and we want the Home Depot headquarters. So that's this one here, and you can usually tell because it says public parent headquarters right there. So we're going to click on that, the Home Depot Incorporated. And this database is a little slow tonight, so just bear with me here. So again, I'm going to X out of these tips. So there's some important information here. The company summary gives you the business description, but I would look at the description, the operations, geographic reach, sales, financial, etc., because there's lots of good information in here that you may need to use for your marketing brief. Also, another good place to look on here is the SWOT, S-W-O-T, and I did take some information from here to do my marketing brief example that I did on Home Depot. Specifically, I took this multi-channel sales, I believe, off of this particular SWOT analysis. So you can use actually anything from this left-hand menu, but those are 3 good places to look. Company history might be another, products and operations, and so forth. But you can look through this and find out lots of good information that you can use for your company. So if you have any questions, that's how to use the Hoovers database. Go to the link in the week 1 module, and then that link will take you here. If you have any questions, post them on the discussion or send me an email. Thanks.